That being said, we also offer a full suite of conventional agency,
Robert,
govy.
before you continue, Robert, I want to go back to
Yeah,
those are lines of credit or those are seconds?
it's a line of credit. So there's a 5-year draw period.
And what's the maximum you can go to loan amount?
400K, and that's on a primary, second home, or investment.
So 400
Minimum,
semester.
yes.
And you start telling something about 5 years.
For the first 5 years, it's a draw period. And then for the remaining 25 years, it's fully amortized. But we qualify on the interest-only payment for the first 5 years. A borrower can pay off debt to qualify. So if they have any credit card debt that they want to, roll in, they can take care of that.
And
Again,
what are the ratios, qualifying ratios?
Well, it depends on their FICO and if it's a primary, second home, or investment. Typically, on a primary, we go up to 80%, second home 75%, and investment 70%. And we can do multifamily. So if someone has a 2 to 4 unit, we can also lend on those.
Okay, and what are the interest rates? Just rough idea. Give me a range. Please.
It's prime. So whatever prime is currently at 8.5 plus a margin, anywhere from 2 to 3% margin.
So now it's a 2 to 3. So now it's going to be then 10.5 or 11.5.
Somewhere in that range, yes, that's a safe bet.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah. Again, I mean, I know some credit unions and other lenders, have slightly lower interest rates, but these are built for speed. There's no prepayment penalty or EPO for you guys. So I have some brokers that are using this as a bridge loan to be able to pull out the equity of their current home to buy their next home. So that's something to think about, or something you can market to. Again, I know some people are using this also to do renovations on their property because we don't require an appraisal. You have the option for an appraisal, but typically the first line is an AVM. Most people can use Zillow as a good guide for the value of the property. Most times it comes into that. There are some exceptions or one-offs, but for the most part, the AVMs are coming in at or higher than what people are expecting. And again, we are able to close these very quickly.